Hello, and welcome to C2SDK's volunteer instructional video on the Netbook testing station. Before we start, make sure you have your tools easily accessible, like the automatic screwdriver, an image hard drive, the Ubuntu USB drive, a scraper tool, and the Netbook itself. Open the laptop and check for missing or broken parts. If there are, the Netbook will not be used. Power on the laptop and inspect the screen. If the screen is broken, the Netbook will not be used. While the computer is powering up, press F2 to get into the BIOS. Once in the BIOS, select the Configuration tab and set the correct time and date. Then, change the SATA controlling working mode from AHCI to compatible. Press F10 to save and press enter. The Netbook should restart. Now, shut down the Netbook and unplug the power cord. Now, remove the back panel with the electric screwdriver and install the imaged hard drive. Now put the back panel back on. Now plug in and power back on the Netbook. Make sure the Wi-Fi switch is on or slid back in the on position. Windows 10 will load to the desktop. To configure the Wi-Fi, press the function key and F5 key at the same time. Make sure the Wi-Fi network card is on and the 3G is off. Put your cursor over the Wi-Fi icon, ensuring you can see all possible wireless connections. Make sure the battery LED indicator isn't flashing amber color rapidly. Next, plug an Ethernet cable into the Netbook. Turn off the Wi-Fi by sliding the Wi-Fi switch toward the front of the Netbook. Verify wired network connectivity by clicking on the network icon on the bottom right of the screen. Now open up the Chrome web browser. In the search bar, type keyboardtester.com/tester.html. After the page loads, begin to hit every key on the keyboard. Each keystroke should be recorded on the website as a bolded key. This is checking that every key works as intended. You will need to test all function plus keys in order to pass the test. Now test all of the USB ports by plugging in a mouse into every one and verifying that it works. If the drive is over 160 gigabytes, you will need to extend the volume. Click the Start button, right-click this PC, and click on Manage. Next, click on Disk Management. Now right-click Disk 0 or Disk C and select Extend Volume. Click Next for the next 3 dialog boxes. Now, the drive's volume has been extended. Now insert the Ubuntu USB and restart the Netbook. While the Netbook is restarting, press F12 to get to the boot order menu. From this menu, select Boot from USB. After the system has booted from the USB and loaded Ubuntu, you need to check the speakers on the Netbook. Open System Settings or the cog wheel and click on the sound icon. From here, you need to test the left and right speakers. Next, click on the Dash Home icon. Click on the second icon from the left on the bottom of the page. Click See More Results next to the installed folder. Then scroll down until you see Disk Utility and double-click on its icon. Click on the hard disk icon and increase the size of the window. Click on Smart Data. It should indicate a healthy disk with a green dot. The powered on time should be less than 5 years. In the Attributes section, there should be no red dots or warnings while scrolling down. At this time, exit all pages. Now, shut down the netbook. Now, remove all unwanted stickers and clean the exterior of the netbook with the provided cleaning materials. Then place the netbook on the cart for activation.